Hello everyone, I am Sachin from Bengaluru. I have done my M.C.A in Dr. Ambedkar College of 7.84 and I got to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd by my friend. As I was searching job, Evision Technoserve is a IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision, I had joined full-time internship under the guidance of managers and administrator. There we can learn. They taught us about virtualization, networking, like administrator, Linux, CCNA, like subnet mask, hub, switch, routers, and they teach about VMware software, Oracle, VirtualBox. Then I got placed in Outwork solution of 3.4 per annum. I express my gratitude to all teachers for the clear explanation and instruction. Now I am confident and I bring a valuable skills for the team. I thanks for the organization for the support and the instruction given. Thank you.